All right, there we go. Okay, let's get into this. Okay, let's murder that. Let's move you down here. There we go. Okay. Now, let's build something different. Okay, so I'm blocking. So what I want to do, foist. What I want to do first, let's create a fucking environment. I'm going to need a few test models. Let's delete that. Force delete that. And then delete that. Let's duplicate. Actually, let's crack this open. We don't need that. We just need to make sure this block all, compile, save. Let's make sure that box all right, that. So the what up, Jelly? I don't even know who you are. What's up? All right, so that's doing that. Okay. So that's working. So let's build a few different ones. Let's go ahead and duplicate. We're going to call this BP building medium a 1. So let's crack you open, viewport. Let's go to our building and let's scale you down to 15. That's perfect. And then let's get rid of you. Jelly, who are you? Who are you? What are you doing? All right, then let's duplicate this. You too. Dude, I wish I remember, dude. It's been fucking years since I've been streaming on this channel. So how did you end up over here? Viewport. Now, building, let's go down to, let's do a 15 by 15. Let's do it that way. Let's save that. And then let's bring in a building medium. Just dump you right here for right now. And a building small. So that's probably going to work. That's probably going to work. Okay. So those are interesting. Interesting. All right. So what we're doing is massing out a bit of a game engine here. Where's my spawner? If I just dumped a spawner in here, let's throw you. This is probably going to be. And then let's throw one more over there and one more here. Let's see how bad our AI is. Newbie. Newbie, bro. Newbie. This is literally first time attempting anything like this. My kids and I are attempting, as it were, to build a game called Hobo Island. I don't even know if they're spawning. Those spawn out. Yeah. What about you? What do you do? I don't know if they're actually fucking spawning. Let's try something here. Where's my player start? Let's move you. Let's move you. Where is my player start? Okay. Spawner. Let's spawn you closer here. Yeah, I don't think my spawners want to play on this map. Let's go back over and make sure they're working on the other map. Save selected. Play. Okay, yeah, you're working. I think it's something to do with the map. Okay. Yeah, all right. All right. So for some reason you don't want to play on that map. Okay. Why don't you want to play on that map? You like that? It's nice coming. It's coming together, bro. It's coming together. It is like I've spent this is what day 7, day 8, something like that. Most of the time on the prototype is like this is just like prototyping shit. Seeing if I can build like the back end systems to support like a damage pipeline, stamina pipeline, blah 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 blah. And thus far everything's working. Like there's certain bugs, honestly, man. Because I am not a game developer and this is the first time like I'm having to figure a lot of this out. Um, but honestly, like everything's just system driven, so that makes a lot of sense to me. Um, so yeah, like it's not too difficult, I guess I should say. Um, it's just, I think it's like theory I understand. It's like, oh yeah, you do A and then B happens. It's the implementation process of what the hell A is supposed to actually be doing. You know what I'm saying? Um, but yeah, at least like if we, a couple different fucking characters in here. Generally speaking, like hit reactions are solid, knockbacks are working, animations are playing well, health is being drained as it should be. When people die, for the most part, they stay down. There's times when they don't, and I'm like, what's happening? Like that guy, see how he tried to get up? I don't like that shit. Don't like that shit. But hey, it is what it is. Come here, fuckers. See, like those guys, they all stayed down. So hey, you know, it is what it is. And then fucking around with some physics, making sure like calls are actually working, like that's movable. Ooh, let's see if we can we knock you guys in. Come here, you little train. Like a little train coming. Look at this. Come here. Come here. Oh yeah, they do move. There we go. Um, but yeah, so today is mapping out. Um, we're building this little prototype map And like that's where like that other map is where we've been testing shit. It's just an open map with nothing to it, some physics objects, and then some custom built enemy spawners, right? So now it's I got to get into actual like map design now and like building some combat areas out. Um, and then AI and blah 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 blah, destructible components, all that stuff. So you kind of got to start at ground one or the ground floor, not ground one, whatever. I'm stupid, and build a prototype map. You know, which again, never done it, so I'm kind of figuring it out. But one thing I do need to figure out here really quick. Uh, For some reason, my enemy spawners aren't working, so I don't know why. And I'll tell you this: the I think for anyone getting into this and trying to do it, my chief most suggestion would be document everything. Move to create a folder. Like seriously, like document everything. Uh, so let's do this. Let's go from a top perspective. Let's not do that. Let's just do this. Okay. So we're going to no, no, stop. Okay. We are going to pretend that we've got a couple buildings here. These are just blocks. Let's add another building. That's what I want to do. I can add in test models. This is a wall. Let's rotate you. Okay. Now let's move you. Let's just do this. And like right now, this is all like super rough. Let's do, okay. Let's do that. We're going to say this is kind of a block. And let's rotate you. Let's move you. Okay, so that's a general block. Let's move you. Because we can end up filling a lot of you in as we need to. But let's grab you, 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 and you. And we're going to say that's going to be a street right there. We're going to make the street as big Or just like that. Okay. Kill that. Don't need that. So that's our general. Now, let's grab you. Let's move you over here. Now, let's delete you, move you over. Let's rotate you. So now we create this little space back here to fight. Okay. Let's just for shits and giggles. Let's do that. And then you, ooh, that would be kind of cool. Let's move you right here. Just jam you up in there. Jam you right there. Okay, cool. Now down here, what we can do is bring you, I want you kind of over here. Bring you, actually, let's put you in here. And then let's grab you. And let's move you just again for the giggles of it, just like this. But what we're actually going to do, let's leave that alone for right now. Let's go back to a perspective. Okay. Now, I go to maps, prototyping, save. Client. Need to figure out why you are not. Game mode. That's correct. Why is that? Let's look at my spawners. Enemy spawner. Let's move you. Now let's player start. Let's move you right there. That is large, large and in charge, but we're still not spawning enemies. So maybe. Hmm. What if, kill that, kill that, kill that, kill that. Mm, 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 mm. Hold on. Maybe. Could it be? Could it be? Mm, 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 mm. You're just pulling that shit in. You're not doing dick. I don't need you. What I do need. This is what I needed. Well, I guess that could be something, but I'm pretty sure I built that into this. I thought I did. Maybe I didn't. Hmm. Uh, See, that's fucking weird, man. Why? Why is that? We're gonna have to. Yeah, it's not even. It's not even spawning. Why are you not spawning? In play. Okay. So for some reason, I'm getting a failure on this. Why am I getting that? So I wonder if I can just, can I do that? Here. Actually, I'm just going to test that. Still doesn't. Can I just, let's move that out of the way. Okay. True, false. Okay. Yeah, no, that's not a thing. Oh, be right back. Yeah. Okay. Let's look at something. Aha, ha, 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 ha. I fixed it. All right, you fuck. All right. All right, now. Oh, no, 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 no. No, 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 no. Look at all of you. Look at all of you. Okay. That's actually pretty cool. Okay. Okay. Now, how bad? So we need to fix that first because I don't like we can get lost back there. So I don't like that. Oh, interesting. Interesting. So you're walking backwards. That's good. That is good. I love that you're walking backwards. Yes, keep walking backwards. That's helpful. Let's see what we can get done over here. I need to update the movement speed. I don't like how long it takes to navigate, so we're gonna fix that. Let's just give it a second. Let's see how they do. Fuck off. Let's see if they. Oh, hello. There's one. There's two, three. Oh, okay. Okay. Stay down, fuckers. So yeah, we're definitely gonna update our movement speed here because we walking around so slow. You guys. Oh, I bet you guys were caught right here. Were you guys caught right there? I bet you were caught right there. Okay, so how do we fix that? Ah! I died. I think you guys are up here. Yeah. Okay. Okay. So that's working. That's working. Okay. Now, let's go. Yeah. I don't fucking care. Shut up. Okay. So the question becomes, let's go to a top view. I could probably. That's. Uh, so one of the things I'm immediately. I mean, I knew we were going to have this issue. Is when we get behind a building, we can't see ourselves or anything else for that matter. So it's going to naturally want, unless we fix that, it's going to cause some problems. So we basically want, the way I'm seeing this is it's like we need a trace from the camera to the character. Like you basically need to shoot, um, you basically need to shoot a trace line from the camera to the character. And if that trace is impacted by anything other than, actually, it shouldn't be impacted. Like if it, yeah. See, how are we going to do that? Hey, all my little friends, come here, friends, come here, come up over here. Can I beat you up over here? Yeah, yeah, beat you up over here. So it's just gonna. I don't know how to do. Honestly, I don't know how to do that just yet. Fall down. I love that. Come over here. I wonder if I can knock you into this. Oh, well, you kind of go through it. I really want to try knocking you into this shit. You guys don't know. So we got to figure that one out. Die. Come here. All of you. Get up into this corner. Come here. Come here. Now. Oh, you do get knocked into it. Interesting. Okay. That fucking works. Come here. Come on up here. Get into this corner. Now stay in that fucking corner. All right, that works. All right, that fucking works. All right, how do I do this? What I do like is that I don't have to really do much here. I do like that. Hey, you fuck. Actually, let's do something here. Let's bump his fucking move speed. What am I? Oh, I'm using data tables, character definitions. Who are you? You are tester boy. Copy, get over here, run audit, run existing base attributes. Movement. Let's bump you to, I don't know, 800. Save, update the row. Now let's kill you, compile, save. Yeah, there we go. Little bit faster now. There we go. Yeah. So like, come here. All of you, get up over here. Get up here so I can put you into this fucking wall. Oh, that is such a good feeling. That is such a good. Come on, come here, all of you. Let's do it again. I love that, honestly. All right. Hey, you don't be bugging out, bro. Don't be bugging out. Get over here. Uh, what is this? There's like nothing over here. So janky. Okay. This will work. You're hitting back there. So what? Yeah, I need to figure out how to deal with that. That's the thing I want to deal with. Get over against this wall. Really? Fucking die, bitch. All right. So how do I fix that? How doth I fix this? Ah! Okay. All right. Let's really think about this. Okay. Uh, mark on it. So, So let's see what chat says. Use a sphere trace. Line trace. Yeah. Small radius. Run this on a timer, not a tick. Grab trace points. So we're going to run a trace on the object. Apply fade to occluder. I could actually do that. Okay, that's not a bad idea. That's not bad. Okay. All right. So I can run with that at a later time. Okay. The question is, how does this feel though from a vibe standpoint? Like I think so this ends up being like let's do all right. Okay, so what I want to do here is we are going to modify some of this. All right, yeah. So let's do something here. We're going to create some areas. Let's move you all over there. And we're going to treat this, we're kind of going to treat, so it'd be like, that's going to be an intersection we can play with. And what I want to do, let's go over here to test models. Let's bring a wall. Now, can I scale you? Let's just scale the shit out of you. Now let's move you. Yeah, that's fine. We're just going to throw you right there. Now let's go to perspective. Let's move you up. That's fine. Just like that. Okay, yeah, that'll work. And then what's going to happen is I want this to become like a little trucking yard. That's going to become a little trucking yard. And that's going to be more like street front, etc. But let's turn this into a truck yard. Can we do that? I think we can do that. So let's do something. Let's go back into our top view and let's just focus right here. So we're going to bring in our block wall and we're going to set our scale. Now let's move you. Let's go, oh, I don't know, right there. Let's move you. Sure. And now let's, hey, move you right like that. Yeah, no. Now let's move you over here and then over here. Now let's move you again. Let's rotate you. Now let's scale you. Now let's move you. You, and you can get deleted. Now let's go back into perspective. Now you can move up. Okay, just like that. That'll be fine. Now let's go ahead. Let's see how that feels. Oh, we're in this truck yard. We're in a truck yard. I wonder if the AI is actually smart enough to get in here. Like he spawned in here. Get out, fucker. Wee, 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 wee. We'll see if he's smart enough to get in, get out, and all that shit. I'm curious. Uh, I fucking love that. Why is that not working? I don't know why the fuck that's not working. That's annoying. Okay. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know why that's not fucking working, but whatever. I think I know. I think it's because I don't have a spectator pawn thrown in here. Okay. Where are all you monkeys? Where are all you monkeys? Hmm. Why is that not working? I had a bunch of you spawning. Why are you not spawning? Are you guys stuck somewhere? You guys are stuck. You guys are stuck over there. You motherfuckers are in this building. How did you get in there? How the fuck do you get in there? Okay, well, let's try this again. Let's run over here. Let's see if they get stuck. Yeah, see, they're all stuck in there. I wonder, as I wonder, where my move you out. Aha, that's why. Okay, that's weird. Okay, now that I think it's because I resize some shit and fuck them all up. Look at them. Look at them. Look at them coming. Oh, they're smart boys. They are smart boys. Look at them. Okay. Okay. Get down. Okay. That works. They're smart enough to make it all the way over there. Okay, cool. Okay, so that's my truck yard. What I do want to do. All right, let's grab you. We're going to move you. Again, we're just doing some basic shit here. Now, what we can do. Does it make more sense? Does it make more sense? Is this going to be my, yeah, because see, I can't see any of that. So it may actually make sense to spin everything because you kind of want general shit. So if I spun all of this, I think I could. So let's grab everything. Let's grab everything and then let's rotate it. Now let's move it. Let's move it just like that. Let's just move you temporarily because it doesn't have to be, we're not trying for perfection here. We're just trying for massing. Oh, hold on. Uh, 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 uh. Okay, perfect. So where are we at? Where are we at here? Yeah, so this becomes like a main drag. Yeah, then you can go up in the alleys. Okay, okay, okay. And then we got another street. Correct, correct. So that's a way we can do this. And then what I could do, let's go F8. Oh, hello, boys. Back off. Okay. And you can come up here into the fucking alley. Fight your way through a fucking alley. Bah, 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 bah. And that's that. That's the map the extremities of the map. Yeah. Come here. All of you. Get over here. We put you in a wall, put you in a corner. You want to get in the corner? Get over here. Get out. Get out. There we go. Okay, so I like this layout better because it gives the map more like like visual space to play with. That works better. Okay, now, so what I can do, okay, let me do this. Move that there. Move another copy. Rotate this bitch. Now move it. That's my playground. It's my playground right now. Okay, so let's go ahead and play that. I think he's really fast. Yeah, this dude's super fast. All right, so and that's the so this is yeah, I'm out here in the road right now. I run this way. This is where a mini map's going to really help out. Okay. Run this away. All right. This back on the street. This is a main drag. Come up through here. Where the fuck? I think I'm in the block. Yeah, I'm in the big block now. Yes. Jeez. All right, so that's that. Oh, hey. Oh, you fuckers. Get over here. Good. Let me put you in the wall again. Come here. Come here. Right here. Get out. All of you. All right, so that's my constraints. Run back around over here. We're going to fix that. Let's just run down here. Let's see what we got. Oh, I like this. Okay. What is this? This is big open road. We're gonna have to create some car AI. I'm curious if we could do that. Okay. All right. We don't need to get too fancy here, but I kind of want to test some things out. Uh, uh, okay. So I think from a layout standpoint, this is technically enough for us to play with. We've got a couple things working well. Actually, I want to check this. I'm okay with this. This four build block, I'm actually okay with. But I am, you know what I would like to do? I don't know. There's a couple things we could play with here, but regardless, right now I'm kind of fine with it as it is. It's going to need more variety. I know that. I know that. But I don't know. Nah, right now I think I'm good. Okay, let's go ahead and save. Save all. Okay. Okay. There's a couple things we're going to start with. I think we're at a fucking point here. I think we're at a fucking point that works. Okay. Okay. So let's go to a new window. Horizontal. The All right. What I'm going to do, I'm going to grab a cappuccino and maybe some lunch, and then we're gonna kick this back up after lunch. Yeah. All right. We shall return.